Hello to all the wonderful people who are watching this YouTube channel of mine. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. And if you haven't still done, I would suggest you that you could subscribe the channel and get to know more strategies on how you can work for your children with learning challenges. And today, this special interview, I have Shubha Parveen here with me. Shubha Parveen is a resident of Bangalore, and she's been educator helping children teach and overcome their challenges. To know more from her, let's ask her. I request Shubha to introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, I'm Shubha Praveen. I'm from Bangalore. Basically, I was a housewife all these years. Like 10 years back, my life took a turn. In 2011, I joined my counseling course from Banjara Academy, Bangalore. Then there was no looking back. Then immediately after finishing my counseling, I joined the school. I got into a school. Then working there, I did my life skills from Banjara Academy again. And I continued working in my school, and my principal offered me full time, working all 5 days. And I enjoyed for 6 to 7 years working in the school. There, every time teachers used to send me some children to me saying that they are not performing well in their studies, they are having some issues. But ma'am, it was always not to do with emotional issues or anything. So it always I used to wonder why children are not able to perform when some kids are performing so well, and when why it's happening, and their background, family background, everything was perfectly fine, but still, what was the issue with them?
Right.
That time I tried to explore, and I came up something about this learning disability in children. So me and other very close friend of mine, we explored and we wanted to do. So working in my school, I joined the course from Spastic Society of Karnataka, Bangalore, and I did my learning disability course. So then I was I'm a counselor, life skill trainer, and a special educator in the school. So I was enjoying my work, but because of this COVID, things have come to a halt. Then at now I'm at home only taking classes privately for children, and I'm enjoying being all this. So this is my journey as a counselor, life skill trainer, and a special educator.
Fantastic, fantastic. So you've joined our course probably 3 to 4 months back.
Yes.
What do you have to say about the LD Remedial World and this whole program on remedial education?
For me, I would say COVID is a blessing in disguise. Like I kept on attending so many workshops, and through this I attended Bala ma'am, your workshop, and I came to know about this community. So something I was always looking for, I had strategies, I know how to do, but I wanted that hand holding. I always wanted somebody to tell, okay, because it is a matter of children, and I didn't want to go wrong anywhere. So I just wanted somebody to tell me, like, no, you're going on the right track. And you know that, ma'am, how many times I've troubled you with every child. I've been asking you, ma'am, is it okay? Is it okay? And you were the one who always said, no, you're on the right track. So joining this community has helped me immensely, and especially your weekly remedial meet has given me a lot of confidence, and that, meeting other fellow soldiers like in the community and helping each other has really helped me a lot. Thank you once again for this.
Fantastic. So how much time every day do you used to spend in watching the course?
Watching the course, yeah, in between my classes and anywhere I get stuck with my children, remedial children, I used to go back and watch these, like, okay, let me watch those videos, how it is made, and I used to get some hints, and I used to take it forward like that. So whenever I used to to get stuck, I used to go back, watch, and then I used to take it forward. Like,
so it's wonderful that the whole program is available to the teacher for lifetime.
Helped me a lot, especially the hand-holding and the follow-up you have with your soldiers, like, with your community people.
Right. So basically, it's been it's like growing together. That's the right word we can use. We're all growing together, learning.
Yes.
The soldiers or the teachers from the community. Why she says soldiers is all the teachers in the community. I call them remedial soldiers. Soldiers are people who help others.
Yeah.
Soldiers are people who support and are prepared for what's going to come. So they feel good about it. Wonderful, Shubha, on this. And did you also get students on being part of this community? Are you also connected to the students? Yeah. So did you also get students by joining the LD Remedial World?
Yeah, right now I've got one student. I'm working with him and it's going on smoothly. Yes, I hope to get more from this. But more than that, it has helped me a lot through the strategies, and your constant support has given me a lot of confidence to come out with my own strategies also.
Thank you.
Like that.
Thank you so much.
It
ignites your brain and you are able to come up with new strategies by looking at the videos provided in the platform. Yeah, wonderful.
Now it's helped me to always think out of the box. Okay, because you are the person who doesn't let us get stagnant. So every time, okay, out of the box. I have to do something out of the box, and it has given me a lot of motivation and confidence to do that. That is something which I want to make a mention of it.
What is the age group of students you expertise in teaching, and what subjects do you teach, Shubha?
I'm a language expert. I take only English, and I'm comfortable with all age groups. I have a child coming home from a preschool, and I have till 14 years. So excellent. I'm comfortable with all age group, but I am a language expert. I do take only English.
Okay, excellent. So for those of you watching this video, if you're a parent and you're looking out for help from children from preschool to senior school, Shubha is there. I'll be sharing her email ID in the content below, where you can connect with her and check out for the help for your child. And just in case you're a teacher who's working in a school, or you're a housewife, like Shubha was a housewife, you wanted to shift to doing something professionally, you're looking out for becoming a remedial educator, you're looking out to help children, you don't know where to go, you can't do a B.Ed with special education, or you can't go and join a college now. And if you're of any age, even if you're 60, 65 or 70, this is a platform, LD Remedial World, which is an online platform. You can join this program online, sit at home, watch the videos, learn from the community, attend all the webinars that I have on a weekly basis, where I answer all the questions on a weekly level. Also answer all the questions in the platform. Then you can think of clicking the link, come and join for my next free webinar, understand how this whole process happens, and become a member of this community. Shubha, do you have anything to say? Your suggestion, your advice, last line for the people who are watching the video.
I was always interested in children, and when I finished my counseling course, I had chosen my field as children. So I'm moving ahead in this field, and this LD Remedial World is a platform for all of us, who are interested in the field of children, to help them and to bring a new life in that.
All right. Thank you, Shubha, so much, and wish you all the best. I'm looking forward that you get many students. You change the lives of many children by touching them offline, online, working the way you wish to. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.